Hello everyone, my name is Suhaib Mohammed. I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of SECAB Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bijapur. Today, engineering graduates are unemployed due to lack of technical skills and awareness on job opportunities. Joining engineering discipline has just become honor for students and their parents. Students should know the future, nature and career of the discipline what they are opting for. In this connection, we have started a series of videos for educating the students about electrical engineering discipline and job opportunities for electrical engineering graduates. In most of the top universities of the world at international level, such as University of London, University of California and University of Oxford, electrical engineering, electronics engineering and computer science engineering are combinedly titled as electrical engineering. When we'll come to the national level universities or institutes such as Indian Institute of Technologies or National Institute of Technologies, electrical engineering is divided into one branch as electrical engineering itself and another branch as computer science engineering. When we'll come to the state level universities such as Vishweshwarya Technological University, to which our institute is affiliated to, electrical engineering is further divided into electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering. So basically, electronics engineering and computer science engineering are sub branches of electrical engineering. Let us see what exactly the electrical and electronics engineering is composed of. It is a blend of electrical engineering and electronics engineering. Electrical engineering deals with electric power generation, transmission and distribution, whereas electronics subjects deals with design of electronic components, devices, equipments and systems. Now coming to the major subjects which the students are going to study in under electrical and electronics engineering are electrical subjects are basic electrical engineering, electric circuit analysis, electric circuit simulation, electrical motors, transformer and generators, transmission and distribution, power system protection, power electronics and power system simulation. When it comes to the electronic subjects, students are going to learn basic electronics, analog electronic circuits, digital signal processing, microcontroller, program logic controller, digital system design and control systems. The subjects which I have highlighted with red color, that is electric circuit simulation, power system simulation, microcontroller, program logic controller and control systems are software based subjects. Thus, the students graduating from electrical and electronics engineering will be able to design, develop and maintain electrical systems, design, develop and maintain electronic systems and program the systems using various software platforms. With this beautiful blend of syllabus, electrical engineers have dual advantage where they can work in core electrical sector, that is in power sector which is its core sector, automobile sector, that is electrical vehicles which is the booming market for electrical engineers, and automation sector. When it comes to the other sectors, students can work in the IT bar software sector, electronics sector and construction sector. In our upcoming videos, we are going to take up these sectors in detail. Thank you everyone.